got Doug M here. He's going to do a box of Panini Century Collection. Live here on Blowout TV. All right, let's see what we got. That's a pretty cool product. So you've got the checklist, then you've got an inner pack, and then you've got an encased card. All right, so I will save the encased card. I won't look at it. Save that for the end. All right, starting off. Oh, I really like this, being a Notre Dame fan. The Four Horsemen of Notre Dame. It's like a jacket piece. Newt Rockne. Very cool. That one is number 25 of 250. Then we've got a Joe Morgan, Blast from the Past, bat piece. Number to 250. Very cool. Hollywood Materials, John Wayne, the Duke. Stamp shirt piece, number to 250. And we've got a Jim Palmer autograph. Him in a football uniform, number to 213. All right, here we go. Encased it coming at you. And it is a cut signature, and it is Al Barlick. Al Barlick. And that one is numbered 65 of 100. Very nice. All right, Doug, good stuff. Appreciate it as always, and I'll get it right out to you.